Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to suggest you some of the shower gels which are my absolute favorites for summertime. I love their fragrances and I use them on a daily basis, and I would like to recommend you to go and try them out once. I love shower gels. I'm a true shower gel person. Previously I used to use soap, but last year I started using shower gels, and from the day I started using shower gels, I never went back to soap because of the very first reason is a soap. Whichever soap I have tried, like which the ones which are very popular in the market, it makes my skin very dry, and I highly need to apply heavy moisturizer when I use soap. But in case of shower gels, I've seen shower gels doesn't make my skin dry. The shower gels which I'll be showing you guys are very moisturizing, means when you use them it doesn't leave your skin dry. But if you're living in places where it's very dry, like in Bangalore, in southern part of the India, you need to apply moisturizer throughout the year. Then in that case you might need to apply moisturizer. But if you're living in a places which are humid like West Bengal, you don't really need to apply moisturizers after using the shower gels. All of the shower gels which I'm going to show you guys are very affordable and very easily available in the Indian market. So none of this costs above 500 rupees. The first shower gel which I would like to recommend is this one by Fiyama Duels. This is the Fiyama Duels shower gel in the variant Blackcurrant and Burberry Radiant Glow shower gels. Now this Radiant Glow line has 3 to 4 variants, like the jojoba one most probably, but I picked this up because I love the smell of it. Now for me smell matters a lot. Like my bath and body products, they should smell good, so I tried the smell of it and I really liked it. So this is the second bottle which I purchased just yesterday to show you guys. So I have used this previously, and it lasts very long. You just need a very little amount of the product to cleanse your entire body. Single swipe, single pump is enough, and the smell is to die for. In the morning when you're anytime, not only in the morning when you're going for bath, I think everyone loves to smell good. So yeah, you can go simply for the smell, you can go for this one. This one retails for 390 rupees for 550 ml of the product, so which is pretty affordable. The next shower gel is by Dove. This is the Dove Go Fresh Nourishing Body Wash in the variant Cucumber and Green Tea scent. So I think every one of us have tried the Dove bathing bar, and this one is much better than the bathing bar. Trust me guys, the smell is just to die for. Oh my god, just let me smell it once. It's so fresh. I mean, in the morning you should have this in your, I think you should definitely have this in your shower gel collection during the summer morning time routine. And this one retails for 160 rupees for 190 ml of the product, which is pretty affordable as well. The first shower gel, that is a Fiyama Duel, smell is a bit deep and bit a serious type of a smell, but this one is very refreshing and very young kind of a smell. The next two shower gels are by The Body Shop. The Body Shop is a very trusted brand, so we can really trust their product. So the first product is this the Strawberry Shower Gel by Body Shop, and the second one is the Fuji Green Tea Body Wash. I have used this product a lot of times, means from the day I purchased this I used to use this continuously, and you guys can see it's almost over. It will last me 1 week more if I use this continuously. Now about this product smells exactly like strawberry. If you are somebody who loves strawberry, then you will fall in love with this product. But this product is a bit runny, so you will be needing a bit more quantity of the product, and it won't last you very long. One bottle will last you maximum for 1.5 months. And the Fuji Green Tea shower gel, now the Fuji Green Tea range is very popular, and this smell is very this one yeah, the smell of this one is not very bright or very overpowering than the other shower gels which I showed. But if you are somebody who like to have who likes to smell pleasant, then you can go for this one definitely. Now the Body Shop shower gels retail for 425 rupees for 250 grams of the 250 ml of the product. So these are pricier than the previous ones, but if you are ready to spend a little bit of more amount of money for a good quality product, you can definitely go for the Strawberry shower gel or this one. You can use both of these products using either loofahs or your hand. Both of them will work well, but this one, especially the strawberry one, you can use it throughout the year, but I would highly recommend this for the summers because of the smell. On winters you can use it, but for summers I would prefer it more. Next one is my recent purchase. This is the Skin Cottage shower gel in green tea variant. Now Skin Cottage is not very easily available, but you can find them on Flipkart and Amazon.com. I got them from Health and Glow. I don't know whether Health and Glow is available throughout the country, but in the southern part of the country it is available. It's a chain of beauty products. This one is very cheap. It retails for 449 rupees for 1000 ml of the product, so it's cheaper than any of the products which I showed before, but it works very well. Very well. It doesn't leave my skin dry at all, and the fragrance is, it's, oh my god, it's very good. It smells exactly like green tea. It's very refreshing. If you want to try other brands like Skin Cottage, means you want to go for other brands than the normal brands, then please go for this one. You will surely like it. Next product is by Pierce. This is a Pierce shower gel, pure and gentle shower gel with pure glycerine. Now this Pierce is a very old brand, and we all know that their soap comes with glycerine. I used to use their soap before only for winters, but you can use this for summers as well as winters. For winters it's very good because it's not gonna make your skin dry, and summers also you can go for this one. Smell is not very overpowering, but you like that. It's pleasant. This retails for I can't find it. I can't find the price over here, but I will be mentioning it in the list in the description box. It is for 250 ml, but I believe it's below 200. Next shower gel is from my favorite shower gel brand, which is Palmolive. Now Palmolive is known for their excellent shower gels. I have tried a lot of shower gels at Palmolive. Recently I'm trying this one. This is a Thermal Spa Skin Renewal shower gel. Now I like to use this whenever I'm bathing in the night time because its smell is very gentle, very soft kind of a smell. So in the morning I go for someone which is having a very overpowering kind of a smell. In the night I look for soft smells. So this is appropriate, and it has this fine granules which is gonna scrub your skin. This works best with loofah, and this doesn't lathers much, so you will be needing a little bit more quantity of the product. Retails for 170 rupees for 250 ml of the product. Another shower gel which I would like to recommend to you guys for summers from Palmolive is the Green Tonic shower gel. Now I don't have it right now with me because I have finished that one and I've thrown away the bottle, but you can definitely go for this. It has got a beautiful, excellent, refreshing smell. I guess I have mentioned that in my November favorites video. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch my November favorite video. And the last shower gel which I have for you guys is the one by Lifebuoy. So every brand is coming up with their shower gel. So Lifebuoy also came up with their shower gel. This is the Lifebuoy shower gel, the red variant. I think they have another in yellow or blue. This product is appropriate for summers only because it's it cleanses your body very well, and it removes all kinds of sweat, and it leaves your skin less moisturized than other body washes which I showed. So this one is highly recommended for summers. And winters you might not like it. If you're having dry skin, people having oily skin will like it in winters as well because it removes all kind of sweat and oil from your body. So I highly recommend this for summers only. Good thing about the Lifebuoy body wash is that it lathers very well. You won't need a lot of quantity, and it smells exactly like their soap. This one retails for 150 rupees. No, it retails for 175 rupees for 300 ml of the product, so which is very cheap, cheaper to the other body washes which I showed to you guys. I would also like to recommend to you guys two other body washes. One is by Nivea, which is the Nivea Fresh Fruit or Power Fruit variant, which comes in a wild color for packaging, very similar to the Fiamma Duals one. And also the shower gels by Aloe Vera. These are very moisturizing. I personally like the one by Nivea, but I don't have it right now. I ran out of it. So these shower gels can be used by both men and women, so anybody of your family can use that. But the Nivea ones, like they comes for the men as well, the special versions for men. These are the few shower gels or body washes which I highly recommend you guys for summers. If you have your favorite shower gel, don't forget to mention in the comment below and let me know your favorite one so that I can go and try it out. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.